Hello everyone, welcome to LG Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ahmedabad. Myself Kunjal Mehta, Assistant Professor in LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have been working with LG IET since 2009. I will be teaching the subject Basic Electronics in first year. In Basic Electronics subject, what we will study? We will study about the different circuit components, electronics components, circuits, diagrams, and its applications in detail. So it is one of the most fundamental subject based on electronics. So before starting the subject and syllabus directly, I would like to discuss about the impact of electronics in our daily life. Do you know? This is the world of electronics. So many electronics devices such that GPS, radio, mobile, television, antenna, etc. which connect us around the world. So what I would like to say that life would have been very difficult without such inventions. We are using these devices in our daily life, in our routine life. What I want to say, electronics is everywhere. Yes, we are using the electronics fundamentals, its applications in industries, enhancing the production, process industries, infrastructure, communications, etc. Thus, electronics plays an important role in such areas, in engineering as well as in communication. So, I want to say another most important point is that electronics is an integral component of engineering field. In engineering field, many of the subjects are based on electronics. The fundamentals of basic electronics subject, our first year subject, basic electronics, right? It is applicable and used in specially communication subjects also, in satellite communication, mobile communication, radar, etc. So, do you think ever we can live without electronics gadgets? No. We can't imagine our life without electronics. So we can say finally, electronics is the winner of the day. So this is the general discussion about the electronics importance in our routine life and daily life. Okay. So finally, we can conclude that, what we can conclude? We can conclude that simply electronics combine to make the powerful computers and technologies. Yes, I want to explain that today's life, today's high-tech areas, tomorrow's talent, and especially future technologies are heavily dependent on electronics. Okay, finally, let's get back to the subject, basic electronics. So I would like to start the discussion and explanation of basic electronics in which branches the electronics means basic electronics subject is important and it is offered by GTU in semester 1 or 2. So, the basic electronics subject is offered in semester 1 or 2. In which branches? It is offered in computer engineering branch, IT information technology, electronics communication, EC branch. Also it is offered in IC branch, instrumentation and control, and it is offered in ICT branch, that is information communication and technology. The subject code of basic electronics is 3110016. So let's move on the board. First of all, we will learn this subject initially from the classification. Primarily, electronics devices and components are classified into two main categories, one analog and second digital. Furthermore, classifications of electronics devices and components means analog and digital components will be classified in three main examples or components. Look at this. Analog components, diode and transistors, and digital components, we will study gates in detail. So what I want to explain you guys, diode and transistor are examples of analog components, and in category of digital components we will study the gates and its applications in detail. Okay? Look at this. This is the diode, which is the two-terminal device, anode and cathode. The diode is used as a switch. Now the next component that we will study, that is transistor, which is the three-terminal device. The transistor used as a switch as well as an amplifier. Now, at last but not the least, all these are the different types of the digital logic symbols, gate symbols. The gate is a basic building block of all digital circuits. Also, we will study the different circuit designs using these three main components, diode, transistor and gates. So, finally, keep watching my video lecture series of basic electronics subject to learn diode, transistor and gates and its circuits and applications in detail. Thank you.